Hi everyone, Carrie here, and I know it's been a little bit for a video, so hopefully somebody will check this out. This is the new Tonic monthly craft kit. It is Flower Power gift box. I don't know what the exact number is since they quit doing that. But here are the items in this. Like I said, Flower Power gift box makes a cute little box with the flower on top. Then they're advertising on the other side. And that shows you what the box is going to look like. And it does come where it makes 3 different sizes. So that's pretty cool. 3 different shapes and sizes. First off, we'll go over what comes in the Nuvo Bag. It comes with a Nuvo Aqua Pen. They call this one Opal Quartz. And I assume it's going to be kind of like the clear. But I already had the clear and it has a different name. So anyway, so they said it was opalescent, as you see kind of there on the sparkles. And then it comes with glitter. This one is the candy pink. As you know, I prefer sequins, but that's what this one comes with, candy pink glitter. Pretty color though. And then it comes with, they call this one peach sorbet. So to go well with my sorbet stuff. And this is a jewel drop, which means it's going to be somewhat translucent. And then this is one of the main reasons why I went ahead and got this kit. This is a sparkle spray. So I thought it'd be fun to try that out. And it looks like it's kind of a burgundy color on that. And wonderfully, it comes with a bottle of their glue, which this glue is one of the best out on the market. Great glue. Just sometimes hard to come by and a little costly. This is embellishment mousse in kind of a, I don't know if that's a lime. It's kind of a light sage with a little bit of iridescence to it. A bit of shimmer. And then it comes with some of their craft ribbon, and this is kind of a thin ivory color, so that'd be nice for tying the box together. Okay, next up I'll go over the die folder, and once again it comes, oh by the way, the whole kit comes in this lovely white box now. They started that this year. And then the papers come in this cool folder. And then the dies and the stamps come in this one, and it fits inside a little notebook that you get one every 3 to 4 months. It's included with the kit. It looks like this. So it'll go inside here. So let's see what's inside. And we're going to start out with the stamps. Oops, let's turn that over so you can see it better. There are the stamps. Looks like some tag shapes along with the words, the sentiments, some hearts. And this is veining for your leaf. It's a nice on that. Then the dies themselves. These are the 3 different sizes. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but this is small, medium, large, some tag cutouts. Looks like the boxes can either be square, or here we have 5-sided, and then I think it also might do a 6-sided, but we'll see here. The second set of dies that it comes with, there's the big flower, and it can do the different shapes on the inside, some tags, and there we see 6-sided, 5-sided. There's the 6-sided inside. So it does look like you have a choice of square, 5-sided, or 6-sided. There's the leaves. Very nice. Some different shapes you can use for inside the petals, as they always do with Tonic. They give you some choices in appearance. There's the sticker that comes with it this time. I always put mine on the outside of the folder. And then advertising this month's sale for November, it's going to be icing on the cake embellishment sale. And they're advertising their new magazine, and I'm thinking of doing that. They did start putting out their magazines in-house. The first one was a Christmas Advent magazine theme, and this one's going to be a memory book. Look like you could make some cool cards with it, though, so I may actually do this. It's going to cost, with shipping, over $40, so it is more expensive, but the quality, from what I can see, is just tremendously better. Okay, so that's what comes inside that folder. And then we have the papers. Let's see what we get for paper. And I do love the new folder that the paper comes in. It keeps it from getting damaged. And you can use the little folder to keep it in or to use it for other things. So we've got, oh, that's bright and pretty. A nice stripe. I love that it comes with some prints. A lot of times theirs don't have prints. Unless it's in a little book, and then it's tiny size. So here's another print. This is some of their Shimmer card. I like that in kind of a peach tone. This looks like an evergreen in the mirror. Very cool. This is I don't know what they call their mustard, but this is kind of a mustard. I know it looks yellow, but it's really more of a mustard tone on there. And this is the classic card. Kind of a sage green or pistachio on the Shimmer card. This is kind of an orangish, let's see if I can get a white balance going here, orangish classic card. Orange, peachish. Then we've got a pink. It's a better depiction on the color there. Also classic card. Ooh, and this reminds me of the burnished rose on this mirror. And once again, I will remind you, let's see, we're down to, this looks like some of their cardstock. Some of the smooth cardstock, 2 sheets of it. Here, if we look here, it tells you it is classic card in the marigold yellow, fuchsia pink, apricot orange. Then it does show you the mirror card in a smooth mint, 2 sheets of the ivory, that's ivory colored on that smooth card, pearlescent in the blush pink, fresh mint, burnished rose, that's what I thought. And there we go on the rest of it, just to remind you of that. And that's the kit, and so I'm looking forward to trying that out. Once again, this is what you're making, and thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.